Nice prime. And cypress plants is available here. Cypress plant, no? Oh, kani siya, para siyang bonsai. Ito. Ready for the Kadayawan plants. Kadayawan exhibit display. Ala, nice siya. Oh, kani. Kinumarket siya. Cypress siya po siya. Cypress. Oh, look at this. Cypress. Christmas tree. I love that fern on the tree. More cypress plant. Oh, beautiful. Look at this plant there. Oh, first place siya. Award winner siya. First place. Plant there. There's a lot of plants display for Kadayawan Festival. It's ready. Visitors are coming. Yes. Ala. Namis ko dagkuas ng kwano kanyo. Japanese sibuyas. Sibuyas dahon.
Okay, bawa ka na guys.
Okay. Paano na ka? Oh. Roses are ready. I'm watching the very some plots here. Cypress Japanese siya. Ang sa klase niya siya. Cypress plants. There's some fruit seedlings. Oh. Chico, lumboy. Hello kuya. Selling the mga seedling fruit trees. Fruit trees, red Brunei durian. Kani lansonis ni oh. O saan siya nga seedlings siya? O saan niya seedlings ni? Durian? Durian tree. Durian seedling tree. Bulaklak. Ganay pamili ni Kuya. Ay, buy plus. This is the Magsaysay Park for the Kadayawan Festival. They're preparing this area for visitors and tourists. They are cleaning the area. Look at this here. They are now cleaning the area. O saan yung magikuan lang kapina lang? Kapina? Kapina po. Yung ano for ano pila ni siya lang? Ha? 100. Unsa klase kape native coffee? Native coffee. Dapat na pangalan no. Magbayad pa manggug ka. Look at meet other. Giayos na ninyo yung mga bahay no. Kano sa ang opening ani yan no 8. Kasi ang opening ani nice na siya dati bago na ang mga kuan niya house niya mag-opening na sila this ano ba trend Saturday pa man siya mag-opening here for Kadayawan Festival. They are cleaning and preserving this house, native houses. for IG.
Okay.
Preserving the native houses here. Fort Kadayawan Festival. They are cleaning the area for the native kitchen. Ay, it's not good. I have so many pictures here. Thanks for watching, guys.